Hey everybody, welcome. I am Coach Stacy. I am a creative coach for Deco Exchange's creative coaching group. Y'all, welcome. Today we are working on a Mod Podge project. So we're going to take a riser for a craft show display and make it more brand specific to my brand. This is my logo. Your front porch. We have all these green florals going around, greenery going around. So I got on Amazon and found this perfect to match tissue paper. So that's what we're using today. You can always check out different napkins as well. Something that's to your brand specific. So I have my tissue paper. We're just going to need one sheet. I already have just a small piece cut off. There's a lot there, so I can use it for risers. I can use it for all different display pieces at my craft shows. This one is going to be a riser for centerpieces, bottle bouquets. I'm gonna need more. It's just a fun quick project that's really going to step up your display booth. Maybe you don't do craft shows, but you do like a vendor market that you have your permanent display. This is also perfect for that. Really shows what all is yours in the booth. I'm just put Mod Podge, just a nice thin layer across. I'm going to take my tissue paper and just lay it across the top. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect at the edges. It's okay if it gets a little wrinkly. Just like that. Okay. Once this is fully dry, you can use a heat gun or blow dryer to help speed up the process, or you can just walk away for a couple of hours. Even just an hour will be dry enough. Then you come back and this is what we're left with. So it's dry, but I still have this tissue paper here. You could try and rip it. It's probably going to struggle. I'm not for the struggle, so I just have some 220 grit sandpaper, and I'm just going to go along the edge and just sand down along the edge. Some places might be a little stubborn, but a lot of them just quickly slice through that tissue paper. There we go. Nice and clean. That's all dry. You can touch it, but it still has that paper really exposed. We want to make sure that it's protected from any spills, so we're going to put another coat of Mod Podge down. So I have one with the coat already done. I'll show you the difference between. They look pretty much the same. This is just has that extra coat on top. But you can't. You can kind of maybe see a little bit if it's not perfectly flat, but it does not look horrible. And adding this last layer of Mod Podge will really smooth it out. You don't even really feel the lumps where the Mod Podge is after. I seem to undergauge how much Mod Podge I need. I'm just using a foam brush from the Dollar Tree. You can use any brush. You can use a regular paintbrush. Test out different options. Mod Podging is a lot of fun and easy to do, and really can step up your display booth game. Y'all, we do a lot of different projects like this in creative coaching. If you are not a member, we would love to have you there. So there, that one's dry. This one's wet, so I'm obviously not going to touch it. But I will put it on its side so we can see. So I just use this so my table isn't just all flat. I want people to be able to see everything. This will go, this is just a small logo picture of mine, but it goes perfect with my brand. I can use this in my spaces and then put things like this bottle bouquet, and we still see. Maybe I should hold it this way. There we go. We still see my lovely matching designs. Makes it all uniform. I love it. That's so fun. You can do the fronts as well the same way, the insides, whatever you prefer. I'm just doing the outside. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Lots of love to you guys. Bye-bye.